It is certainly a possibility as the track continues to adjust, but right now that forecasted track is supposed to be west of Bermuda. So not another landfall, but certainly again, as each advisory comes in, there will be updates. But right now we're just looking at this storm continuing to make its way farther out to sea. Here's a look at where Melissa is right now, north and east of the Bahamas, just south of Bermuda. Again, that cone of uncertainty there, just missing it to the west, but certainly impacts will be felt there on the island of Bermuda. That's going to be another storm that's going to impact the island for this year, this season, this hurricane season that still has about a couple of more days, about a month left in its totality there. So right now, Melissa is a Category 2 hurricane. Just taking a look back at Melissa, its past, present, and future. It in the past was a Category 5 hurricane that made landfall in Jamaica, and it also made another landfall in Cuba, but it did weaken just a little bit. Right now, it's a Category 2, again, northeast of Bahamas, moving at around the 24 mile per hour range. And the future for this storm is going to continue to have those hurricane warnings for Bermuda, but it is not going to have a direct impact for us here in Maryland, but certainly some rough rip current can be felt in the area. So we're just going to keep an eye on Melissa as it continues to update and continues to move farther northward. But the good news is no direct impact for us here in the U.S. and looks like not a direct impact for Bermuda. So